Hi students, let us continue with the binary search. In the previous video I explained about the searching an element by using the binary search technique. So that is successful search we are taken because the element whatever we are finding out, that element is found in an array, then you call it as a successful. So now see here, what is an unsuccessful search? So if the element is not found in an array, then you call it as this is an unsuccessful search. So how we can find an element? Let's take the array. So the same array I am taking the 5, 7, 9, 13, 32, 33, 42, 54, 56 and 88. So this is an array. The array consisting of its size is 9. Array size is 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So let us take the search key is I want to find a value that is 8 in these elements. Okay. So how can I conclude that it is an unsuccessful search? Let me start it. First, mid is equal to start plus end, that is 0 plus 9. 0 plus 9, the size of the array you have to be taken. 0 plus 9 by 2, that is approximately it is 4. 9 by 2, that is 4 point something, you get 4. So now check, is a search key value is less than or greater than of a of mid? What is a of mid? A of mid is 32. Okay, so 8 is less than a of mid, that is 8 less than a of 4. So 8 is less than 32. So then less means you have to take left hand side. So you have to take the left hand side elements and you have to skip all those things. Just skip this, because the element whatever we are searching, that is not present in the right hand side. So just you don't search whereas if it element is not found in that, just then skip that sub part. So 8 is less than 32. So here now you have to take start is equal to mid plus 1. Sorry, start is not start, because we are taking left hand side, right? So now end is equal to, now end, this is the end. End is equal to mid minus 1. So this is a mid value. Okay, so mid minus 1 is 3. And now end becomes this and this becomes the start. End is equal to mid minus 1. Now what is the array? 5, 7, 9, 13. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now take mid is equal to 0 plus 3 by 2. So that is approximately 1. 3 by 2, it's approximately 1. So what is the mid of 1? 7. Is 8 is greater than 7? Is 8 is greater than, now 8. 8 is greater than mid of 1. Mid of 1 means 7. So 8 is greater than 7. Okay, 8 is greater than 7. So I have to go for right hand side. So you have to skip this thing. Now you have to skip these elements. Skip. So now the start becomes mid plus 1. This is mid value is this. Mid plus 1 and this is the end. Mid plus 1. Start becomes mid plus 1. So right hand side means mid plus 1. Start is equal to, left hand side means end is equal to mid minus 1. So that you have to be careful while you are writing. So here 8 is greater than 7. So that compulsory the value should be right hand side, not in left hand side. So you're just skipping this. Now this start comes to here because we have to search from here. So that is start is equal to mid plus 1. So now the array consisting of 2 elements, that is 9 and 13. 9, 13. 9 is 2 and 3. So now again check. Mid is equal to 2 plus 3 by 2. 2 plus 3. That is approximately you will get 5. 2. 2 plus 3, 5 by 2 is approximately 2. So now 8 is less than A of mid. 2 means 9. Okay, 8 is less than 9. A of 2, that is 9. 8 is less than 9. So now change end is equal to mid minus 1, because this is less than. So less than means now here this is the mid minus 1 and this is the start. Okay. So now start is equal to 2. Start becomes 2 and end is equal to mid minus 1. Mid is 2. 2 minus 1, you will get 1. Here the start is greater than and end is less. So what does this represents? Here start greater than end. So this means whenever this condition is there, whenever the start is greater than end, you are searched complete array but you didn't find the element. Start is coming, it's greater and end is less. It indicates 8 is not found in array. Okay, the 8 value, whatever we are searching, that is not found in an array. Then you can say this is an unsuccessful search. This is an unsuccessful search because we didn't find the element 9, 13. So now it becomes here only now the start becomes 2 and the end becomes mid minus 1, 1. So whenever this condition is raised, obviously this is an unsuccessful search. So this is about the binary search. Thank you.